right, today we're going to be creating an electronic gradebook in D2L Brightspace. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead into the grades section. And from there, you're going to click on settings. In settings, you're going to start in that personal display options. And you're going to check to show grade details. You want point grades, grade scheme symbol, and grade scheme color showing. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to make sure repeat uh, calculated final grade and repeat adjusted final grade are showing. And then you're going to make sure it says manage grade and save. Once that is saved, you're going to go over into the next section there. And what you will do is scroll down to make sure that point grade, grade scheme symbol, all those things are showing for your student view as well. And then you're scrolling down to make sure that you have hit save so that you know it is there. Final section, you're going into the calculation options and you're going to make sure that it is selected on points and then scrolling down again. Making sure that the calculated final grade is selected, that drop ungraded items is selected, and then you want the automatically that checked to keep final grades updated. So once that is there, you're going to save and hit that yes button to confirm. Right. So now we're going to go back to grades and we are going to select manage grades. And what we are going to do is add category folders. So what you'll do is select new and category. And there, this is where you will name the categories for your grade. So here I'm putting week 3 and saving and closing. And then I'm going to do this a few more times just to get the next couple weeks in there. So week 4 in all caps, and then save and close. We'll add week 5 up next. Save and close. Week 6 in category. Save and close. And then finally, we're going to add week 7 in category. And then we will save and close. So those are our category folders. Now we're going to go ahead and add grade items. So again, new, click item, and then we want it to be numeric, so worth points. Then we are going to do these as discussion grade. So we'll say week 3 discussion grade. And then underneath this, where it says category, we're going to have to make sure we put that under week 3. And then we're going to make these 5 points. So we'll adjust it from the 10 point and then save and close. And then you can see it was created successfully. So now we're going to go ahead and do that for the rest of the weeks. Numeric, week 4 discussion grade. Making sure to put it in week 4. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you don't change the points. You can see I have 5 points and 10 points. Going into week 5 now, adding this discussion grade, putting it in the right category, saving, and now I'm looking and realizing, oh my goodness, my grades aren't changed. All you have to do is click on that arrow, edit them, and you can adjust them from the screen. Super easy. No one has seen those grades yet. That's okay. Same thing with week 5 there. I can just go in and edit. Again, just change it to 5. Save and close. Yes, I'm sure. And then I can keep going through and adding the rest of my grades under new and item. So numeric. Again, same thing, except week 6 discussion grade, making sure I nest it under week 6, changing the points there, save and close. And then we'll do it one more time for week 7 and clicking on new item, numeric. And that's week 7 discussion grade, making sure it is nested under week 7, changing the points, hitting save and close. And now I'm going to check this out from the student perspective. So I have them all in there. What I'm going to do next is go ahead and click on that class list, click class list, and find my demo student, click that bottom arrow underneath them, and hit impersonate. Yes, I'm going to impersonate. And when I do that, it brings me to my screen. I can click on grades. And it looks like there's a pop-up there. I'm going to close that. And you can see all of the grades behind it. So that is my student view.